Hi friends, good morning. This is next video. So in this we are going to look more into the operators. So first we saw variables. Variables is nothing but holders or the boxes where it stores some value. So I have here two variables, first and bar. The first is having hello and bar is having world. Okay. So all I'm going to is like add to these things. When I say add, it is to concatenate, combine these two things. So what is the operator for? Is the plus operator. The plus operator joins the two things. So first plus and then a space and then bar. So the output would be hello space world. Okay, let's run it and check it out as usual. Go to Firefox. Okay, so if I zoom it down here, see I have the hello world over down here. Okay, so let's go and change it again to double check it. Hello GUI. So let's check that and refresh the page. So if I refresh, I have hello GUI. Okay, so the plus operator, what it does is like in numbers you know what it is going to add, even in strings it does the same. So that is the beauty of it. So let's go back to the next story. So I will comment the first part. For commenting I'm using slash star. Multiple line commenting, single line commenting you can use double slash. So I'm using it here. Okay, let's start with this one by one. So console.log, let's print console.log j and then console.log k. Okay, so those are the tiny little operators which is called double plus and double plus after. So the previous double plus before a variable is called pre-increment. So I'm going to increment before, and the second, I mean double plus after the variable is called post increment. It's simple, straightforward English, pre and post. When I say pre-increment, so let's assume I have a variable value 1 in here. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to increment 1. So plus plus means, so the same variable plus 1. Okay, that what's it actually means. So I plus plus means the I is already 1, so it goes to 2. So I is 2 now and the value is stored here. So the j is having 2. Okay, then it goes to the next statement here, plus plus I. So plus plus I first gives the value to the guy. So 2 is given to here. Okay, and then it is incremented. So the value of I is now 3, but k is having only 2. So look carefully here. It is very simple, but you have to watch it carefully. So when I do plus plus, so the I value and j value are same because it increments and then only gives a value. Whereas I plus plus, I give the value and then only I am incrementing it. For example, I use a variable k I z. Okay, if I have print I console dot log of z. Okay, so if I run it, if I run and check it, so go back here, refresh it, syntax error, unternated comment, where it is, the comment is not properly completed it seems. Yes, okay, so now that comment is proper. So I refresh it, see I have 2 and then 2. So the I plus plus I is incremented and then saved. So whereas I plus plus, it gives the value to the k, so that's why it is still stays 2 and then I gets incremented. So finally incremented I value is 3. So that's how it goes on. So I'll zoom it and show it to you. So this first line is plus plus I. Okay, second line is I plus plus, and third line is the final I. Okay, so that's about increment operator. So you have to watch it carefully. Increment, pre-increment and post-increment. So I'm just summarizing again. Pre means increment and then give the value. Post means give the value and then only increment. Okay, that's all about this. Okay, thank you friends. Bye bye. Let's close this guy.